If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this final announcement of the person. It's 1st of April and we're about to announce the winner of a 15 USDT. Okay, back some few days ago, 21 of March, I gave you that. It's been years I haven't done a giveaway. A 15 USDT is up for grabs. To participate, heart this post. Winner will be announced by 1st of April, and oh my goodness, you guys did actually heart the post. 88 people got in there. Oh, okay, amazing. But only one lucky person is going to win. So what I did is I went to the wheel of names, and from the wheels of name, I got all the names listed right over here. Oh my goodness, all right, stop. This one actually started spinning by itself, but there's no any winner at the moment, so yeah. No. It didn't start, okay? It did not start actually. And yeah, I'm going to start actually, but you know, I'm thinking that let's see who can get a little bit lucky, and then oh my goodness, again it's spinning again. It hasn't started just yet, ladies and gentlemen. This is still gonna take time, you know, like no, you still haven't won. I mean, yeah, but in just a few seconds, you know, it's going to be announced. One lucky person is about to win, and that lucky person, you can message me your TRC20 USDT address on Discord. You can leave it on the comment section, and those people who are not on Discord, come and join the Discord in the future. But the Discord is you know, closed right now, but it's going to open up by 20 of April. So what do we do? All right, so here we go. Finally, the time has come to know the winner. And the winner for the 15 USDT for the month of April. Can I have a drum roll, please, before we spin? I don't know, man. I cannot do this. I want to go and actually watch some, you know, Bitcoin chart. Let's actually look at the Bitcoin chart, by the way. Before we go into the winning section, I don't know, you know, my heart is pumping right now. Let's talk about Bitcoin a little bit before we talk about the winner. It's going to be announced at the end, okay? I cannot do this. My fingers are a little bit scared. All right, so Bitcoin is the troublemaker in the room, and today I want to talk about something important. Bitcoin right now is doing nothing more than making a consolidation. Okay, so we have Bitcoin doing some consolidation, and for this one, what I want you to see is the following. And right now you have Bitcoin here, but I don't support Bitcoin to move to the upside just yet. Okay, and what I'm going to do is dive into the 4-hour time frame. And if you look at the 4-hour time frame right now, this is something that really worries me, and that is Bitcoin is having you know, this little bit of like higher highs right now. But if I turn on the RSI, Bitcoin has a very big divergence, okay? And it doesn't make sense to me for Bitcoin to go to 35,000 this early, okay? The reason being is, if you look at the market sentiment, a lot of people are not even expecting Bitcoin to drop down. If you go to that fear and greed index, a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to actually just keep rising, because right now all I see, if I went personally, even though, you know, it's not very clear you're gonna drop, I'm not even saying that I'm 100%. Like this time, if you go with my confidence, I don't know, but on the chart I have a bearish divergence. I'm careful, I'm not trading a bearish divergence, okay? That's Adam, that's what he's gonna do. Bearish divergence, it's a alarming situation. I'm not going to play with fire. Simple, right? So what am I going to do then? Simple. Wait for the bearish divergence to play out, and then I'm going to enter, right? So for me personally, what I think is that this, if you go with the market cycle, you got a little bit of a cycle starting down here. You went up, you had another one, you went up, and this looked like a long distribution, okay? This right here is a distribution, and that's my interpretation of anything that is happening all over the place right here, okay? And yes, of course, I'm bullish on Bitcoin for in the higher time frames like the monthly and stuff like that, but on the 4-hour time frame it's a little bit dangerous. And if we go into the weekly time frame, we do have dojis in the middle as well. So if you look at the dojis here, you got one doji that was taken out, the stop was taken out, and then you have another doji as well, which is actually going to be confirmed in the next 2 days when the weekly actually comes to an end and it closes off. So for me personally, Bitcoin is going to be you know, in a no trade zone for myself at the moment, and unless we don't get Bitcoin to drop to the downside. And you can see even on the daily, the RSI is now pushing a little bit lower, and you might even get to the downside as well. Now, not only that, but let me tell you one more thing, that Bitcoin is on a very big resistance level. And let me tell you one thing, all right? If you look at this pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? You have a broadening wedge. You have a broadening wedge. The thing with this broadening wedge is that if you end up breaking above it, right, you go to 31,000 and you backtest the wedge itself, then you can push even to all the way to $40,000. And maybe I could actually try to trade again at the retest as well, okay? I'm not going to miss it, of course. Or I will try not to miss it, of course. And that's only if you break out. But you have this resistance going on, that resistance going on. You have this resistance as well. You got that resistance as well. This is not good. Buying at the resistance is never a good idea, okay? Even on the RSI, you got this resistance, and then you have a bearish divergence. I am more into a correction, okay? I'm not saying that Bitcoin is bad, but I will put it this way, that this to me seems like a correction in the making, and I do expect a correction to the downside, at least on the EMAs. I think a visit down to 55 is going to be reasonable down the road. I don't know just when the time frame is going to be, and that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin update. Right, so let's go back to the winner. Who's going to win this thing? My goodness, man. My goodness. All right, jokes aside, we are about to do this. One last time, one last drum roll. Can I have a drum roll, dear computer, please? And the winner of the 15 USDT, let's roll it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it goes to Omidev. So whoever you are, man, congratulations from the Atom Coins family. You got yourself a 15 USDT win. Amazing. Have a nice dinner, okay? And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin and the winner. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.